Welcome to the Canon imagePROGRAF 8400-8400S installation video. First, unpack the printer as shown. Then, remove the packaging for the stand. Take out all the pieces for the stand and lay them out. Next, assemble the stand. After tightening the lower crossbar, flip the stand over evenly to make sure you don't put added stress on the joint. Now insert the upper crossbar with the bolts provided. Next, attach the catch basket stays to the rear legs. Now attach the side plates. Next, build the catch basket. With 4 people, lift the printer onto the stand, aligning it with the arrows in the back. Once the printer has been seated securely onto the stand, attach it with the 8 screws provided. Unpack all of the excess packaging material and remove all of the orange tape. Don't forget to unscrew and remove the orange headlock before turning on the power. Now turn on the printer. Select your language and your time zone. Then, lift the ink tank lids and install ink cartridges. Now, open the cover door. Lift the carriage door. Pull the printhead fixer lever forward all the way to open it completely. Take out both printheads and remove the orange safety caps. Insert the printhead into the carriage with the ink holes facing away from the printer. Carefully push the printhead firmly into the carriage, ensuring that the part covered by the orange protective part does not touch the carriage. Pull the printhead fixer cover down toward the front to lock the printhead in place. Push the printhead fixer lever all the way back and close the top cover. Take out the empty spindle and load your media. Insert the roll paper into the roll paper feed slot. While holding the paper, lift the release lever and align the paper with the orange guide on the right side and close the release lever. Choose the correct paper type for the media you have loaded. Once the printer has successfully loaded the media, it will print an automatic printhead adjustment pattern. This takes roughly 10 minutes. Once the printer is ready, select the maintenance menu, scroll to Test Print, Adjust Printer, and Calibration. Then select Auto Adjust. Once the calibration has been executed, it takes approximately 10 minutes to complete. Once it is completed, your printer is now ready. Now you can load the drivers for your computer's particular operating system. For additional software and drivers, please visit us at usa.canon.com. Install this device at your own risk. Professional installation available.